A Subaru wheel spacer safe to use. Quality Subaru wheel spacers is certainly safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, or tripped by pedaling the wheel stub of each wheel. Also, there are transmitted to each Subaru hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle which is not placed on any Subaru wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Subaru wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Subaru wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These Subaru wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum strength of vibration. Quality Subaru wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Subaru wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Subaru wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Subaru wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage half-century Subaru wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the transfers as the corresponding hub bridge, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Subaru wheel spacers, and the safer its driving will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage half-century Subaru wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS Subaru wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve road safety. Also, the BONOSS Active Cooling Subaru wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.